In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. To start, make sure both phones are ready for a stable transfer. Connect your Android and your iPhone to a reliable Wi-Fi network and keep them plugged into power. This prevents interruptions from low battery or a weak connection, which can slow or stop the process. Place the devices near each other and leave other heavy downloads paused until you're done. On your Android phone, open the Google Play Store and download the Move to iOS app. This free app from Apple securely bridges your Android and your new iPhone so your data can move over. It's a good idea to update Android and WhatsApp to the latest versions first, as that can help avoid transfer hiccups. Turn on your new iPhone and begin the normal setup. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, choose Move Data from Android. This puts the iPhone into a special mode that accepts data from the Android device through the Move to iOS app. A one-time code will appear on your iPhone. On your Android phone, open Move to iOS, agree to the terms, and enter that code. Follow the prompts to connect. The iPhone may create a temporary connection to the Android device. Just keep both screens on and don't switch apps until you see the next menu. When the transfer data screen appears on Android, select WhatsApp and tap Start. This tells WhatsApp to prepare your chats and media for export. Depending on how many messages, photos, videos, and voice notes you have, this can take a while. Be patient and keep both phones unlocked and connected. Allow the data to export and transfer. As soon as it's finished, the Android phone will sign you out of WhatsApp. That's expected. It ensures your chat history is ready to be activated on the iPhone with the same number. Now continue setting up your iPhone and complete the iOS setup process. Configure Face ID or Touch ID, choose your settings, and reach the home screen before moving on. Next, download WhatsApp from the App Store on your iPhone, open it, and log in using the same phone number you used on Android. This number match is essential so WhatsApp knows which backup to attach to your account. When you're prompted to import, tap Start. The import will run, and when it finishes, your chats will appear on the iPhone. Let WhatsApp finish indexing your media in the background and keep the app open for a bit to help it complete. That's it. Your WhatsApp conversations have successfully moved from Android to iPhone.